insane thunderstorm at my house. This is crazy. Like, you can't even see more than like 50 feet. I hope this is picking up the sound for you guys, because this is insane. This is where I live. This is literally like where, like, this is insane. Oh my God. Do you see the road? There's like waves of, holy. I will give you guys a little bit more detail once the thunderstorm is over. And you can finally see the brook. But do you guys see all the water? Like, all of that, the kind of grayish stuff, that's all water. And the road, it has like an inch of water on it. What the?
Yeah, that's true.
What the? Sorry about that. That's crazy. There's literally water in the front yard.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It probably will. The brook is gonna be insane.
See where if you see a rock in the brook that's gonna get covered.
Yeah.
Probably will.
And also, fun little game that we can play. It's kind of hard to see from the camera because it's not the best camera to record on. But right there on that little rock is a little stick. If you see that little line, that's a stick. And it's been bouncing on that rock for a couple of weeks now, maybe a month. But that little thing right there is a stick. And I think it would be kind of cool to see if it falls off or not. So, yeah.